Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Naya Mentions. If you like me, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. If you are new to my channel, I'm Shruti and I talk about products which are related to makeup, skincare, and health. I got my arms waxed, I think, after like 3 months, and I was this close to turning into a werewolf. So finally, I am feeling light and feeling like a human again. Today I have with me an under eye gel roll on from the brand Oriental Botanics. Okay, so this gel roll-on, under eye gel roll-on has aloe vera, green tea, and cucumber, and this also says eye radiance. This minimizes dark circles, fine lines, and puffiness around the eyes, and this says no parabens, silicones, and mineral oils. Okay, so this brand Oriental Botanics, I would like to say something about this brand. This is a vegan brand, cruelty-free, and also this supports the PETA Beauty Without Bunnies program, which means that no animals are harmed while making these products, when the products of this brand. And if by any chance you have liked the PETA page on Facebook, you are going to witness a lot of gruesome acts which are being done on animals, on monkeys, on rabbits, for food, clothing, or makeup accessories. I mean, can you imagine mink fur is used for eyelashes, for fake eyelashes? I mean, is it that important? I have never applied an eyelash in my entire life. I've never done that. And if by any chance I knew that, this particular brand, it sells eyelashes made of mink fur, I can never do that. It's really sad. I mean, if you have a strong heart, follow PETA page, because the content is very gruesome. The content is very gruesome. It's Anyways, I'll talk about this brand now. And okay, so what this clay, first of all, this is a cardboard packaging, a very nice and a beautiful green and white combination, as because this has aloe vera, green tea, and cucumber. And so the packaging also looks very fresh. Okay, and this is for your dark circles, puffy eyes, and fine lines. Fine lines and dark circles are something which over the age you start getting, fine lines around your eyes. While laughing, or even while if you're not laughing, you will see fine lines around your eyes. And also puffiness you get when there's lack of sleep and everything. So this says this will reduce everything. And also, let me read out what this claims. Over time, lack of sleep and daily fatigue makes eyes look tired. Microcirculation slows and dark circles and shadows appear. Featuring under eye roller that gently massages a concentrated hydrating treatment to depuff tired looking eyes and soothes skin. The eye roller's cooling metal balls diminish fluid buildup while massaged around the eyes to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Okay, so how to use? Prior to first use, click end of pen several times to begin the product flow. Each time click 1 to 2 times, then massage under eye area with roller for 30 seconds. 30 minutes, come on. Okay, so this already, as I told you, this has pure extracts, no parabens, cruelty free and vegan, no minerals, no sulfates, and no silicones. And this is a 15 ml in quantity, and this retails for 499, 500 rupees, and this will expire by 2022. And the ingredients list also I'll show you. So this is how the product looks like, the packaging looks like, this is how it looks like, and everything is mentioned on the packaging as well. I think I've used this once or twice, and this really feels very good. Okay, so before using it, you have to click it to release the product. Okay, you can see this metal roller. This metal roller is actually very cooling, and after clicking it, yeah, so now you can see the product. You cannot see the product because it's very transparent, you cannot see it. So the fragrance is very fresh. It smells like freshness. I mean, it smells very fresh. I like minty cucumber kind of fragrance. Okay, so let me just extract a little product and I'll show you. I'll apply it under my eye. Okay, the packaging is really so cool here. You saw that. Okay, so now I have a lot of product. Yeah. You have to do this for like 30 seconds. Same with the other eye. Easy to apply, like it glides, and the metal ball, it feels so cool, and it feels so relaxing. And where is the dhakkan? Yeah, so I applied it, and you can gently massage it into your skin also. Yeah, like this, so that it penetrates deeper into your skin. Just massage it gently. You can apply this before going to bed at night. You can apply this, then it will be on your skin for like good 7 to 8 hours for maximum benefits. Or you can apply it any time of the day, because this has no color or nothing. So you can just apply it and leave it. Like you don't have to wash it off after applying. So you can just apply it and leave it. If you are at home, you can do it. Or best is while sleeping. Before sleeping, you can do this, I guess. So I guess this is a must buy if you have dark circles, if you have fine lines, if you have puffy under eyes. I think this is a must buy. This is a great product, though I have been using it since like 2 to 3 days. But this has amazing reviews on Amazon as well. People are loving it. People are liking this product a lot. So I guess you can invest in this. This is really good for 500 rupees. I think this is really good, and this will go a long way. You just have to apply it under your eyes, and so this will, I think, go a long way. And also, as I have applied it, it's nothing, you can feel nothing, like it feels like nothing. So it's very comfortable to use as well. And I highly recommend this brand, mostly for the pita thing. I recommend this brand. I love this, and I'll put the link down below if you want to purchase this. It's non-sponsored, of course. And yeah, and also this is made in India. Again, a good reason to invest in this. Okay, so this is it. So do give this a try and let me know whether this worked for you or not. um, yeah, so I'll see you guys next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care and subscribe and like, and I love you all.